Hey, I feel like we always just talk about work or weekend plans. I realized I don't actually know what you do for fun when you've got free time. What do you normally get up to? Are you the outdoorsy type, like hiking or biking? Or are you more of a homebody who's into gaming or binge watching shows? Maybe you have a cool hobby I don't know about, like playing an instrument or painting. I'm just genuinely curious what you do to unwind and enjoy yourself. It's always fun to hear what makes people tick outside of their daily responsibilities.
Outdoorsy کسی که دوست داره وقتشو بیرون بگذرونه. آدمیه که خیلی بیرون میره. Homebody برخلاف outdoorsy کسی که دوست داره تو خونه بمونه و زیاد ماجراجو نیست. Binge watch یعنی تماشای سریال از اول تا آخر قسمت به قسمت، چه به صورت DVD یا چه به صورت استریم. Unwind ریلکس کردن و در واقع رفع تنش ناشی از کار و تلاش.